everyone, it's July 2nd and I wanted to make the viral flag cake, and I'm also going to be taking you guys with me to see the fireworks, and I think that's all. Maybe I'll make this a little July vlog. I don't know yet, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is gonna be my outfit for the 4th of July fireworks. I got this from Off Tropic, the shirt, and the shorts are from Old Navy. On the back of the shirt, there's this design. I'm also gonna pair this outfit with a bracelet that I made, some white shoes, and I'm gonna put hair accessories in. I think I'm gonna do like red, white, and blue string. We got cotton candy ice cream and Emily got Cafe Piero, and she got macaroons, or macarons, I don't know how you say it. We're here and we're the only ones in the field right now, and it's starting to rain, so...
That's so fun. Great time.
There's another one. It's raining. Me and Emily are on our way to Applebee's now. Forgot to get a video here, but I got the pretzels and Emily got the wings. I'm not fully vegan, but I refuse to eat real hot dogs. So my mom and I got the Morningstar veggie dogs, and oh my god, they're so good. We got these to try. We also got the strawberry, but I didn't try that yet. The pineapple though, oh my god, I love it. Look at how cute. And these are what the strawberry ones look like. The pineapple is still my favorite though. It's July 6th and now I'm getting ready to go to the mall with Emily. I'm wearing the hibiscus tee from Shop Endless Summer Surf. I'll add their website. This is the look. Going simple. I put some Rare Beauty on, not much, and I'll do a little vlog while we're there too. Me and Emily are on our way to the mall now. I love car shirts, more so the sports cars or race car shirts, and I wanted one so bad. I was also obsessed with all of these. I love Zoomies so much, and they have so many good things out right now. I love this set. I'm not a fan of pink, but I'm a big fan of Broken Promises, and I love all of their sweat sets from this collection. I'm obsessed with this shirt. Now we're off to Spencer's. I loved these shirts. I can't show much footage on here because I've got some younger family members that watch my stuff. We went to Windsor next, and they have so many cute summer pieces out. I know I said I didn't like pink, but these are just too pretty, and I love them all. The floral prints are so in right now, and I'm obsessed. And look at how cute this set is. And then I love these shirts. It's my golden birthday in August, and I found this gold tiara, and I need it ASAP. And we went to Ulta and did some perfume testing. These all smelled so good. Hello, look at you. Hello.
Just a head.
You're so cute, Raven. I've not seen you in forever. Oh, you're so good. You're so cute. I just got home and Emily ended up getting me the iconic perfume by Paris Hilton as an early birthday gift. And this smells so good, guys. I'm addicted already. Like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's definitely iconic. I got the pretzels. I got wings for Jessie, and Emily got some wings too. Emily wanted to try the Cinnabon mini swirls for dessert and accidentally ordered 2 of them. So we had a lot of leftovers, but they were really, really good. The next day I went to the park with my brothers Jesse and CJ and played some basketball. Then I went to Crow's with Emily. We got some dessert. And then I came home to my brothers wanting me to use my jade roller on them. The mom raccoon brought up 2 of her babies, and look at how cute they are. These are the farm cats, Tiger and Boots. They're brothers, and they're a year old now. They're so cute. Look at how beautiful. There's another one, isn't there?
Oh my god,
Look at it!
come here.
This is Gomez. She was born in April, and she's so adorable. She also has 2 other siblings from her litter named Rocky and Stormy, and her older siblings that were born last year are Tiger, Boots, and Banks. And this is Rocky. Our youngest brother Mason came over, so I took him and Jesse to the park to play some basketball. Oh god, Mason.
I'm dying. Hey, Chocolate, try not burping. It's so bad.
Is that just a little
That's a
burping?
little one.
Oh dang.
Alright, now that's cool. You're gonna get.
We're about to play horse.
I'm going first, Tommy.
I made the H right there, and now they're trying to.
What?
Close.
Punk.
Mason made the O right there. What? What'd you say?
My parts are tweaking.
Your farts are tweaking. I'm gonna fall off. Mason.
Where's the handle?
No. Jesse, I'm gonna fall
Oh
off.
my god.
Hi, Fina. Do you like it in there? Say hi, Mason. We're at the park again. Again. It's so pretty here. Yes, it is.
Wait, you see the...
No, we couldn't hear you. What?
Do they cook people?
Cook people here?
Yeah, they did.
It depends. If your name was Mason, they did.
What?
Going on a hike. Girls walk like we're on our way to Raylan's for her birthday party. How old are you gonna be?
8!
You're 8 now. How old are you gonna be?
9.
Raylan has a joke to tell you guys.
Why couldn't the skeleton go to the ball? Because he had no body to go in.
He's already getting into her presents. We just picked up Nanny's birthday cake. Michael's has their Halloween stuff out and I'm so excited for that, but I'll make another video showing their Halloween decor. I'm so obsessed with this floral garland. I think I'm gonna go back and get some for my room. I'm also obsessed with these plants and all of these decorations. I think they would all make perfect room decor items. Hello, what are you doing? This is my lizard Blaze. He's such a little cutie. I love him. On our way to the movie theater. We're going to watch I Know What You Did Last Summer, right? No, I Still Know.
No, it's I know.
Yeah.
I still know was the second one.
Yeah, we're going to watch I Know What You Did Last Summer.
Oh, really?
And Kylie is finally out with us. Me and Kylie both got these. The movie was so good, I would go back and see it again. Now that I have better lighting, I wanted to show you what we got at the movie theater. These are postcards. And I think they're so cool. This is the back of them. And then they have where you can scan the QR code. And I'll show you what it does. So we have my girl Raylan here. She's gonna have a sleepover. We're gonna do a painting, and she wants to do a portrait where I paint a portrait of her and she paints a portrait of me. Okay, we got it set up. That's what it's gonna look like. She's putting the starfish there.
Stay starfish.
We did a quick sketch of our portraits, and now Raylan's gonna draw her shirt that she wants. But this is what it looks like so far, and then we're gonna get to painting it. You have any words, Raylan?
Well, I'm trying my best, but it keeps getting swiggly.
I think you're doing amazing. Raylan decided that she needed to add that to mine. And she thinks she's so funny. Silly goose. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, you're making it bigger? Oh, that's lovely. Wow. And this is the shirt that she made. She did so good.
It's a long sleeve shirt.
Yeah, she did a long sleeve. I did short sleeve.
Wait, I have an idea.
Okay. Oh.
Like sometimes I would try doing this.
Yeah, I like that.
And I think this one should. Whoopsies. I did it at the race parts. Whatever.
It's okay. We're going to paint over it. Oh
At least we
my
don't have to
gosh.
make the fingers.
Yeah, the
That's
fingers are
way
hard.
hard.
Yeah, for real.
Hard.
This is our setup.
Perfect. Ooh, that looks beautiful.
Yeah, it does.
I'm gonna make an ocean.
An ocean?
I can make this part a wave since I mistake that part.
Oh, that's so good.
And ooh, there should be more waves, but first let me just get this. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no.
You're doing really good.
Playing the ocean details. Ocean, 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 no 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 no. Ocean. Hi, I'm making the sky right now.
She's doing so awesome. Right, we're on to my hair.
Yeah, Brooklyn accidentally put black and
Too much
too
black.
much black.
Yeah.
But it's okay because we can make a cool portrait with this black.
Yeah.
Plus her hair is like a lot blacky.
It's a lot blacky, you said?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's pretty black, so...
Yeah, pretty much.
It's not that much of a mistake, but I think it's
Just a little darker.
darker than her actual hair.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I am having a drink break. I just finished Brooklyn's hair. I have some few details.
And she's doing amazing.
And my next part is the skin. So we are gonna do that and we are gonna get the face good. And bye guys, we'll see you on the next part. Hi guys, I'm on the skin and I'm using a small brush because the skin is hard to get. Uh-oh, it's dripping. Plus, a little bit of skin dripped, so we made it into a cloud.
Yeah.
There's other two clouds, but you don't really see them.
Yeah, it was just a happy accident.
Yeah. After this, we will be able to be done. But I can't forget to put back the eyelashes. So, yeah.
Raylan got some of the black on the brush and decided to give me a mustache and a little goatee.
I got tea. I don't even know what
goatee is like a type of beard, I
A
think.
beard.
Yeah.
That's what boys have.
Yeah.
Shading.
Yeah, looks like shading. Guys, isn't she just so amazing? You're so good at this.
People might think this is a boy right now.
People might think it's a what?
People might think it's a boy right now.
A boy?
Yeah, for real. I am age 9 and I am doing this exquisite part. This is a girl, but I just forgot a bit, and that's the eyelashes. So it will be a girl. Now it looks like a boy wearing makeup.
I think you're doing great.
Now this is the last part, the lips. And then I am gonna make half of the heart a color that Brooklyn likes. And I'm gonna make the other half a color that I like. But Brooklyn gets to do my half and I gotta do her half. And then we get to photo this picture and then we are done. The background will stay blank since I'm lazy. This is how dirty my hands got. And look at that. But for now, we are going to do the heart. Exquisite art. Bye. So now I made the heart, and now the next section is all Brooklyn's, which she is holding the camera. Bye.
We got Blaze out to show him the painting.
And I had a great idea if we could make a drawing of Blaze and put him on and make a drawing right here or here of Blaze. So yeah, this is little Blaze and he's so cute.
We're at the park doing a photo shoot. We're going on the trail. Look at how pretty that is. This is a video that my brother Jesse sent us of our brother Eric with his horse. And I had to include it because I've never seen something like this before. Oh, he's so cute.
You're so cute. Skills.
He licked you.
Come on, Blaze. Look at Hello. Hello, so this is my birthday present. This is the first time trying it for both of us.
This is our setup. We got my yoga mat. It's got some paint on it. She's molding the clay into a ball. It's really messy. That's how it's coming out so far. This is Raylan's pot that she made, and now she's painting it. That's my favorite color, by the way.
So I am making flowers on this pot, and then I'm gonna make a big flower in here.
It's July 23rd, and I'm headed to the Cuban Queen Cafe that just opened up in Branchville. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I just got back from the Cuban Queen Cafe, and guys, I am obsessed. I can't wait to go back. I'm so full. It was all really good. We tried the sweet heat empanada, the bacon, egg, and cheese, and the Taylor ham egg and cheese empanadas, and they're amazing. I got the combo, so it came with 4 empanadas and a pastry and 2 coffees or drinks. I got a water, my mom got an iced coffee, and for the pastry, it was some type of Portuguese pastry with almost like a custard in the middle. Oh my god, it was so good. But I highly recommend going there. It's so cute and it's so good. My mom she didn't like empanadas, and then she tried these and she's in love. CJ and I are at our local animal shelter to do some volunteer work today. Look at how cute. Hi. These 2 kittens are only 3 months old. The one on the left is Mouse and the one on the right is Aquarius, and they're both girls. Oh, hello, baby. I know. Hello. Oh, CJ. How adorable. This is Cancer. He's named after the astrology sign, I think it is. And he's also 3 months old. This is Darla. She's around 1 year old. We came back on Saturday. Darla's still there. This is Bob Marley on the left and Whoopi Goldberg on the right. And this is Alvin, Simon, and Theodore. They're all 3 months old too.